Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to delete credit card from Temu. First of all, you can open the Temu application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the U icon at the bottom middle of the screen. And here you can just simply tap on settings at the top right corner of the screen, and after this you can now tap on your payment methods, and here you can see your credit card on demo. You can just simply tap on the credit card and press delete, and it is a way you can delete credit card on demo. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes some browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.